People think farming is all about leaning on a gate and waiting for things to grow. That's nonsense. Modern farming is about power. Massive, earth-shaking machines that make my old Lamborghini tractor look like a toy. These are titans of the field, with more horsepower than a Grand Prix starting grid. Every year, farmers haul in billions of tons of produce. You can't do that with a pitchfork and a wheelbarrow. You need machines that chew through acres before breakfast and plant seeds with surgical precision. Today we're going on a safari into the world of the most powerful, ingenious, and oversized agricultural machines ever built. Forget supercars. This is where real engineering genius lives. Prepare to be amazed and maybe a bit deafened. Let's start with the undisputed king of the harvest, the Claas Lexion 8900 Combine Harvester. This isn't just a machine, it's the beating heart of modern agriculture, a symbol of how far human ingenuity has come in the quest to feed the world. This isn't just big, it's a moving cathedral of engineering, a symphony of steel and sensors designed to reap, thresh, and winnow all at once. Every inch of this machine is built for efficiency and power, transforming fields of golden wheat into mountains of grain with breathtaking speed. The header alone can be up to 45 feet wide, wider than the average house, and capable of swallowing up entire swaths of crop in a single pass. Imagine standing at one end and barely being able to see the other. It's a scale that's hard to comprehend until you see it in action. Beneath its sleek exterior, a monstrous 790 horsepower engine roars to life, powering a labyrinth of drums, belts, and sieves. This intricate system can harvest up to 100 tons of grain per hour, enough to fill several large trucks in a single afternoon. The internal mechanisms work in perfect harmony, separating grain from chaff with astonishing precision. The combine's 18,000-liter grain tank fills in mere minutes, so quickly that a convoy of tractors must trail behind, ready to whisk away the bounty before the tank overflows. It's a carefully choreographed dance between man and machine, ensuring not a moment is wasted during the critical harvest window. But the Lexion isn't just about brute force. Advanced GPS steering and a network of sensors guide every movement, ensuring that every kernel is collected with surgical precision. The technology inside rivals that of modern aircraft, mapping the field and adjusting in real time to maximize yield and minimize waste. Step inside the cab, and you'll find yourself in a high-tech command center. Plush seating, panoramic windows, and digital displays surround the operator, offering comfort and control that surpasses most living rooms. Here the farmer becomes a pilot, navigating a sea of grain with the touch of a button. With this machine, a single person can do the work of hundreds, racing against the clock and the ever-changing weather to bring in the harvest. The Lexion's speed and efficiency are nothing short of revolutionary, allowing farmers to cover vast fields in record time. All this power and technology comes at a price, a £500,000 investment standing as a testament to human ambition and the scale of modern farming. It's a marvel of design, engineering, and sheer determination. Witnessing the Lexion at dusk, its headlights piercing the twilight and dust swirling in its wake, is a sight that inspires awe. It's a reminder of the relentless drive to harvest before the rains come, and the beauty of human achievement set against the vastness of nature. The Claas Lexion is more than just a machine, it's the ultimate weapon in the farmer's race against nature, leading the charge in the battle to feed a growing world. And for the person at the controls, commanding such immense power and precision, the thrill never fades. Every harvest is a new challenge, and every pass across the field is a reminder of what's possible when human innovation meets the land. The combine gets the glory, but the tractor is the farm's backbone. Take the Case IH Quadtrac 620, not a tractor but a force of nature on 4 tank-like tracks. It glides over soft soil, avoiding compaction, and delivers up to 700 horsepower, enough to pull implements wider than a tennis court. Its 12.9-liter engine produces torque that could move mountains, and the cab is a tech-filled sanctuary for long shifts. GPS auto steering ensures every pass is perfect, saving fuel and time. The Quadtrac can plow, plant, or haul massive loads, transforming into whatever the job demands. It's expensive and thirsty, but the productivity gains are unmatched. These machines compress time, letting farmers hit critical windows dictated by weather. The advanced tractor is the unsung hero, doing the heavy lifting that makes modern agriculture possible. Without it, none of this works. It's the locomotive of the land, the foundation of the crop cycle, mud-plugging, relentless, and magnificent. the real workhorse of the field. Once the soil's ready, it's time to plant, and here, precision is everything. The preparation of the soil is a meticulous process, ensuring that it is in the perfect condition to receive the seeds. This is where technology meets nature, setting the stage for a successful planting season. Enter the John Deere DB120, the world's largest planter, 120 feet wide, planting 48 rows in a single pass. This behemoth of agricultural engineering is a marvel to behold, capable of transforming vast fields into productive landscapes with remarkable efficiency. Each row unit is a mini robot, cutting, dropping, and tucking in seeds with millimeter accuracy. These units work in harmony, ensuring that each seed is placed with precision, a testament to the advanced technology driving modern agriculture. The goal? Perfect singulation, one seed, perfectly spaced, every time. This precision ensures that each plant has the optimal space to grow, reducing competition for resources and maximizing potential yield. A vacuum system and hydraulic downforce ensure every seed is placed at the ideal depth, even at 10 miles per hour. This technology allows for rapid planting without sacrificing accuracy, a crucial factor in large-scale farming operations. Before planting, a prescription map, built from soil samples and satellite data, tells the planter exactly how many seeds to drop in each part of the field. This data-driven approach tailors planting to the unique conditions of each section of the field, optimizing growth potential. This is variable rate seeding, maximizing yield, minimizing waste. By adjusting the seeding rate on the fly, farmers can ensure that resources are used efficiently, reducing costs and environmental impact. The result is picket fence emergence, rows of identical, healthy plants. This uniformity is not just aesthetically pleasing, it is a sign of a well-executed planting strategy that promises a bountiful harvest. The farmer becomes a systems operator, overseeing a fleet of robots executing a complex plan. With technology at their fingertips, farmers can monitor and adjust operations in real time, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Maintenance is a challenge, but the payoff is huge. Every seed gets the best start. Regular upkeep of these sophisticated machines is essential to maintain their precision and efficiency, safeguarding the investment in technology. It's a far cry from scattering seeds by hand. The evolution from manual labor to mechanized precision highlights the incredible advancements in agricultural technology over the years. This is industrial-scale, data-driven planting. The integration of data analytics into farming practices represents a new era of agriculture where decisions are informed by real-time information and historical data. Technology quietly ensuring our food supply starts strong. These innovations work behind the scenes, laying the foundation for a successful growing season and ultimately, a reliable food supply. Sowing the seeds of success, one perfect row at a time. As the sun sets on another day of planting, the promise of a fruitful harvest is sown into the earth, thanks to the seamless blend of technology and tradition. Seeds in the ground need water to sprout and thrive, but relying on the weather is a risky gamble. Rainfall can be unpredictable, and droughts can devastate entire harvests. For farmers, waiting for the perfect rain is like rolling dice with their livelihood on the line. Enter the center pivot irrigator, a marvel of agricultural engineering. Picture a massive rotating pipe stretching across the field, slowly sweeping in a perfect circle. This machine can water hundreds of acres at once, transforming dry, barren land into a patchwork of green, healthy crops. It's like a giant compass, drawing circles of life in the landscape. Today's center pivots are smarter than ever. They use LISA, low-energy precision application technology, which delivers water right where it's needed, just above the crop canopy. This method dramatically reduces evaporation and runoff, ensuring that every drop counts. Farmers can fine-tune the system to match the needs of each crop, slashing waste and saving energy. These systems are now internet-connected, bringing the power of smart technology to the field. With just a smartphone or tablet, farmers can monitor and control their irrigation from anywhere, at home, in town, or even on vacation. They can adjust water rates on the fly, responding instantly to changing weather or crop conditions. The real magic happens when technology teams up. Soil sensors buried in the ground, drones flying overhead, and satellites orbiting above all feed real-time data into the system. This creates detailed irrigation maps, showing exactly where water is needed most. It's precision farming at its finest, using science and data to guide every decision. The center pivot doesn't just spray water evenly, it adjusts the flow for each part of the field. Some areas might need more, others less. The system delivers exactly the right amount to every plant, ensuring uniform growth and healthier crops across the board. This approach conserves precious water, boosts crop health, and even allows for fertigation, applying nutrients directly through the irrigation water. It's a one-two punch, feeding and watering the plants in a single, efficient pass. The impact is nothing short of transformative. Land that once seemed hopelessly dry springs to life, turning into fertile ground. Even during droughts, crops can survive and thrive thanks to pinpoint water delivery. It's a revolution for regions where every drop matters. This is responsible, high-tech farming in action, combining tradition with innovation. Farmers become stewards of both the land and the latest technology, working smarter to feed more people with fewer resources. So next time you're flying over farmland and spot those perfect green circles, remember, it's not just a pretty pattern. It's a network of intelligent machines, sensors, and data, all working together to solve one of humanity's oldest challenges: how to grow food in a changing world. This isn't just about making it rain, it's about making every drop count. Quietly, efficiently, and with remarkable precision, these systems are revolutionizing agriculture and securing our food future. The future of farming is here, and it's happening one drop at a time, smart, sustainable, and full of promise. For centuries, farmers walked their fields to check crops. Now they have drones. Agricultural drones are high-tech scouts, surveying hundreds of acres in minutes with multispectral cameras. They create NDVI maps, X-rays of crop health, spotting disease, pests, or water stress before it's visible to the eye. Farmers use these maps for targeted intervention, treating only the problem spots and saving money and chemicals. Drones are evolving. Some now carry spray tanks, applying treatments precisely where needed, even in hard-to-reach areas. They're used for plant counting, 3D mapping, and even mechanical pollination. The data they collect is immense. AI is now being used to analyze it, diagnosing issues instantly. This turns farming from reactive to proactive, anticipating problems before they spread. Drones are the nerve center of the digital farm, working alongside giant machines to maximize efficiency. It's data-driven, intelligent agriculture at its best, the ultimate tool for modern farmers, small, smart, and indispensable. The future of field management is airborne. From the power of quad-tracks to the precision of drones, modern agriculture is a marvel of technology. These machines aren't just bigger, they're smarter, revolutionizing how we grow food. One farmer now does the work of a village thanks to these unsung heroes. They make us more productive, precise, and sustainable, the backbone of civilization. The pace of change is only accelerating. The next generation will be even smarter. We've only scratched the surface of this fascinating world. Like, subscribe and stay tuned for more on the titans of the field.